back to Teach a Man to Fish channel. Today's video is going to be leftover brisket on a grilled cheese sandwich. Let's go ahead and get started. The bread we're using is homemade. You can use whatever your favorite bread is, but if you want to make this, check out the link up above. When you're putting your brisket leftovers to the side, never cut them up first. Leave them as a whole piece of meat and then cut them up as you need them in the future. It'll dry out if you put it in the fridge pre-sliced. I like to cut this thin for the sandwich and a couple of thick ones for the side. If you'd like to see how I make my brisket, I do use an injection. You can see some of that there. Check out the link above. We want to leave every bit of that fat in there because fat is what? Flavor. This bread is made in a cast iron Dutch oven. It's really simple to make. It's 4 ingredients. Salt, flour, bread, and water. Too easy to make. We do this in a cast iron, both enameled and a regular black cast iron. When your guests ask you about this, they'll assume it's an artisan bread. You can get the joy out of telling them you made it right there at home. This bread isn't just for sandwiches. It goes really well as an appetizer, putting it out on the table for dipping in flavored olive oils. This is a 15,000 BTU portable camp stove. It makes it nice for having with the cast iron and cooking over open flame. 15,000 BTU in this stovetop is a whole lot of heat. You got to regulate it well or it'll get away from you. Some people use mayonnaise to get that crispy flavor. I like butter, and make sure you reach it all the way out to the edges. All of the equipment that we use in this video is available down below through an Amazon paid link. There's something about fire and cast iron working together. You get a better cook out of it. It may be an option for you to get one of these camp stoves to get that fire and cast iron to work together. Now we just need to make sure we keep an eye on that toasting. Again, watch your heat, be patient, don't burn that butter. Now let's squeeze a little bit of that brisket on there. I like to use cast iron in this cook because cast iron holds that heat and spreads it out evenly across the whole surface. Look at that beautiful toasting. Man, I wish you could smell this reheating brisket right now. And it doesn't take very long on that brisket. Go ahead and assemble the cheeses. And get maybe your gooier cheeses, whatever flavors you like. I'm throwing on some Gouda. some Colby Jack. And some sliced American. We'll put that all together, cover it up, and let that heat for just a little bit on low. So there's a whole lot happening in this sandwich. You've got the saltiness of the crust or the bark on the brisket. You've got the cheese. You've got the bread. You've got the crunchy. You've got the smoky flavor. All of that working together makes an amazing set of flavors in this sandwich. So YouTube says that this video is perfect for your viewing habits. This is my latest upload, and over here is a playlist of my cast iron cooking. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please click like, subscribe, share, and come on back for more.